Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to hopefully be a quick one because I'm really in real time getting ready for work. So today's video, from the title, is my easy everyday go-to makeup when I want to look put together but not wear like a legit super complete face, even though it kind of feels like it already is, just not eyeshadow. But it is easy, it is quick for me to do, so that's what I'm going to show you. And I really did try to make all the products that I'm going to use for this video drugstore. It is 7:40 in the morning, so if everything goes well and I'm able to get this video edited today and up to date, this is what I will be looking like at work. So I thought that'd be kind of cool for you guys to know. Okay. Primer, I'm using one heck of a Blot from Soap and Glory. If you are new to my channel, I have oily skin, so I need mattifying primer for my face. Okay, so one product that is not drugstore, that I'm sorry, but I don't have anything like this that's drugstore. It's just my correcting concealer, and it's one from Bobbi Brown in dark peach. So I'm just going to use this on my dark spots really quick. Not all of them, just mainly I guess on the forehead is what I'm trying to focus on, because I just had my period last week, so I broke out. I know they're not exactly dark spots, but I don't know, using a correcting concealer just sometimes just helps me out. So foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is in the shade 107 Fresh Beige. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. So I already squeezed some on my metal palette plate thing. And with the Beauty Blender, obviously put it all over your face. I've been doing really good with posting daily on my Instagram. I'm actually very proud of myself right now. Now, because of that, almost daily since I have been posting a lot, I have been wearing more makeup and trying to dress up a little more for the pictures. And that's literally what I wear throughout the day as well. So today I'm kind of just taking a break from all that and literally just wearing sweats and this like shirt. Okay, so for concealer, I will call this drugstore, even though I'm not really sure if it is drugstore, but it is the Ulta Full Coverage Liquid Waterproof Concealer, and it's only $9, so I'm going to kind of consider it drugstore because it is a lot less expensive than my Shape Tape. And this is actually the first time I'm trying it out. I've been wanting to try it out for a while, so we're going to try it out today. And I got the shade Medium Warm. Yeah. I'm so used to my Shape Tape. Like, blending this out, I'm just like, I guess because I'm so used to the full coverage right now that something that's like really light and medium is kind of like, you're not Shape Tape. Yeah, compared to my Shape Tape, this is not really full coverage for me. This is more of like medium. But like I said, it's not, it doesn't look bad on my face right now. Setting powder. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I have the shade Fair Light number 10. I have tried this out to actually test it, like wear test. It's a good drugstore powder, but it did not keep me matte like my Laura one. I feel like my Laura Mercier powder kind of got it there. Keeps me matte longer for sure. So, and for everyday use, this powder will not, it won't hurt to use this one. So I am not going to bake. I'm only going to put this powder on my face and then quickly just wipe it off. And then just taking a big fluffy brush dust it all away. To bronze up the face and add color, I'm going to use my NYC bronzer in Sunny. Sometimes I like to do a 2-in-1 situation with this product. I like to use it for bronzing and sometimes even like blush. So that's what I'm going to do because, again, we're trying to be quick. I'm not going to do any like contouring or anything on my nose because I do wear glasses and that just completely takes away from the contouring of the nose. I'm not even going to bother. I do still like to add some highlight, and I'm going to use the highlighter from this Kate. I don't know what this is called, but it's in the shade Golden Bronze, and I'm just using the highlight shade in this palette. It's the only drugstore highlight I have that I like and I've actually used. Like, I actually grab for it sometimes. And then sometimes I'll just run some right here underneath my brow bone. Now I am filling in my little beauty mark that I have right here. I actually really do have it. It's just that all the foundation covers it up, so I have to go in with a brown pencil and like put it back. So that's done. Now all I need is eyebrows and mascara, and that's it. Now the only drugstore pencil that I have that I like, at least I like the color of it, is this one from Maybelline that you guys saw me use. In my last video, like I said, I will actually use it because I do like the color of it. When I do very little makeup like this, as in I don't do any eyeshadow or anything crazy, I do go a lot lighter on my brows and I don't define them all the way because then that just looks super harsh, even though sometimes I still do, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm literally just quickly filling in spaces and gaps, and then I'm just gonna brush it out. Whoa, it got really dark. And then just brush it all out. My curly hair getting in the way, and that's it. That's all I will do. So my eyebrows don't look perfect whatsoever, but I feel like that's what gives it a more natural look. Well, as natural as you can get. And to set my brows, I actually do use this every day. It's one of my favorites right now for about a year, actually. It's the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer, and mine is in the medium brown. So I will use this to set my eyebrows. I'm going to put some on. And last step is mascara. I like to use two different mascaras. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic and the Maybelline the Falsies. I use this for lengthening and this one for volume. So they're both drugstore and I do use these every day. And that is it. Now for lips, usually I will only wear chapstick and I like to use the Carmex one. So that is literally all I do for lips. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. This is my complete, easy, everyday makeup look. It is now like 8:05, so it really honestly does not take me that long. It only took me that long because I was actually trying to explain what I'm doing and why I do it. So yeah, it's easy, simple, quick. You're still kind of putting on a full face, kind of. Well, you are, but it's easy and quick. So whenever I'm in a rush and I'm just like, I need to get out the door, but I don't want to look scary, this is what I do. I'm literally like rushing and just doing everything, and it looks nice and put together. Hope you guys like that I did try and use all drugstore products, so I'm proud of that. Follow me on my Snapchat and Instagram. I am, like I said, I'm very proud of my Instagram right now. It has never looked this put together. I'm very proud of it right now. I'm usually very bad at making my pictures all kind of look the same, as in like the aesthetic. I've been watching way too many videos, but I'm liking it so far. I know it's not that big of a deal, but like I said, my Instagram has never looked like this ever. That is it for this video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.